Hi guys, I'm Sonika, an interior designer, and welcome to my channel Color Raza Architecture and Interior Design. Well, wish you all a very happy new year. 2020 was a very difficult and different year for all of us. It has definitely changed the dynamics of how we work. But well, I hope 2021 marks a new beginning. So I thought of creating a series of episodes this month about interior design trends 2021. So if you're building your home this year, this video is perfect for you. So today is episode 1 and we're going to talk about 10 interior design trends in 2021. So let's get started. Number 1, color trends. Well, for over the years I've actually been using beiges and browns because most of my clients like to play safe. And lately I started exploring more of greys. But this year, I think it's time to go bold. So some colors which are going to be trending in 2021 are Next is lighter woods. Well, I've always been exploring more of darker woods like Wenge and walnut, but this year I think we should explore more lighter woods like ash and oak. Especially if you're inspired by Scandinavian and Nordic styles, lighter wood is great. Over the years, I've gone overboard with actually using high gloss finishes, but I think matte finishes are in style and going to be trending this year. A lot of companies have actually come up with matte finish CP fittings and sanitary ware. I'm really excited to use matte finished wardrobe shutters and kitchen shutters, and of course decor and accessories. A lot of wooden furniture has actually been replaced by metal like windows, furniture pieces, decor and accessories. Gold and rose gold were trending in 2019 and 20, but I think this year it's going to be matte finished metals. The biggest trend which started in 2020 and I'm sure is going to continue this year is working from home. Very important to create a healthy environment while we are working from home, and some great tips to do that is by actually placing the table in natural light, accessorizing and organizing it well, and definitely by adding a plant. Coming on to our next trend, plants. Well, plants have always been trending and I think it's again going to be an amazing trend this year. Plants are not only good for aesthetics but have some great benefits too. I have done up some videos on plants and I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. I think there's an urgent need of actually exploring sustainability in our project and approaching to more greener homes. We have to start applying sustainability in our projects by using eco-friendly materials like natural stone, bamboo, cork, terrazzo, marbles. Switch to energy-efficient LED light bulbs. They use 75% less energy. Try to have more natural light wherever possible. Apply solar panels in our home, and of course try to be as minimalist as possible. Something which started trending in 2020 in all industries was going local. And I think this year I'm going to explore this trend too. I'm going to try buying more Indian marbles and sandstone against Italian marbles and try to approach more Indian brands. Next trend is modern rustic. Well, while designing homes, it can be very overwhelming for buying furniture pieces, decor and accessories. And as designers, we always like to blend the old and new. I know everybody has that one piece of furniture or decor which is really close to your heart, and some ancestral pieces which you really like to blend with your new interiors. So some great ways of doing that is by reupholstering your old furniture, painting your old carved furniture, using old chandeliers decor and mixing it up with the new style. Well, technology has actually changed the game in all industries. I remember doing automation for some of my projects and it was very expensive and difficult, but with Google Home and Alexa, that has become very inexpensive and easy. So I hope to explore that more this year. Well, those were 10 interior design trends that I am really excited to explore this year. Let me know your views in the comment section below. Stay tuned for episode number 2 coming up next week about kitchen trends. Hope you liked this video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.